Well, it wasn't exactly in the itinerary, but I've been rebuilding something in the background without cameras rolling, simply because it was the first time I've ever done it. So here's a good stopping point. Let's just show you what's wrong with it. And of course, I'm talking about the 212 engine, which this poor thing is in half and half shape. It's in pretty sorry shape in some aspects, but others it's not in terrible shape. Here's all the main parts. We got oil pan, side plate with the crank bearing and charging system pickup and coil. Pretty much just a bucket full of miscellaneous stuff. But looking down in here, bore on this guy is actually, it's just glazed is really the entire thing it has going on with it. I got a hone set for the cylinder walls for this. I'm gonna do that at some point. It's one of those attachments that goes on the drill bit, and you just use a set of dingleberries, go up and down your bore, and put some cross hatching back in it, which that's what's gonna happen there. Head's gonna get cleaned off because it's in pretty sorry shape, but it's actually not in terrible shape. But the main downfall as to why this thing smoked so much and why it had low compression, etc., low power. Here we have a brand new exhaust valve. You can see the valve facing there has a lot of material. If we come over here to this one, there's basically little to no material left. And on the parts that it does have material, it's not even all the way around. It's not even wear. So it wore down pretty bad. Which, here's the old piston out of it. It's in pretty decent shape, actually. Little bit of marking on the sidewall there on the skirt. Nothing too bad. And then of course the bearing itself was starting to wear. As you can see the reflectiveness there on the right. It was starting to wear down, but nothing too terrible. Pretty good shape, honestly. There's basically no material left on the valve seating here. So this thing is going to have to go to a machine shop since I don't have the proper tooling, and I'd like someone who actually has the ability to check the head, make sure the decking's all nice, do the valve seats, make sure they're proper, just basically go through the block and make sure it's okay, and then I'm going to start assembling everything else back. Pretty much more engine parts there, and this is how the tractor looks. Kind of sorry to look at, isn't it? But it's going to get a new front tire. Variety's going to get worked on. Rear end's going to get new seals in the axles because they're shot. Yeah, other than that, it's pretty well just plug and play and put it back together.